Assalamu alaikum, Early Standard English A by Cantab publisher, and remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board, and our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And look at there what is for today. Well, letter J. It's mean that by the end of the lesson, our student will be able to recognize and identify small j, its sound, action, and vocabulary. Okay, get set ready. Are you ready, students? Yes, get ready. Okay, once Jamila was making a jam toast for Javeria. Javeria is her sister, and Javeria was also in the kitchen. What she was making? She was making a jam toast, and she just touched her mother's hand, and the bottle of jam wobbled. The bottle of jam wobbled like this. Wobbled. Javeria was shocked. She was shocked and she shouted, "Mom, jam is falling. Jam is falling." Now look at the objects. Look at here. What is this? Jar or jam. What is this? Jug. A jug. And look at here what I am having in my hand. Yummy, yummy. Juice. Do you like to drink juice? Juice. And what is this in my hand? This is the picture of a cutout of a jet. Jet. Now can you please tell me, is there any common sound in the name of all of these objects? Jet, jam, juice, jug. Is there any common sound? Yes, this is j. This is j. Jiggly jelly, j. I like to eat jiggly jelly, j. I like to eat jiggly jelly, j. Can you please jiggle, jump like a jelly? Here you can invite the student to get up and jump. Or they can jiggle like jelly, like this. After this, you can tell them that this j is the sound of letter J. J says j. J juice, j jug, j jar, j jam, and j jet. Now what you can do, you can paste the flashcards or the picture here on the board, and you can invite the student to come read the name of the pictures and match it with letter J. Okay? And after this, you can invite them for reading of the book. You have to focus on the names. J, jet. J, jacket. J, jeep. After doing this recognition and focusing on reading practice, you have to invite the student for doing different kind of activities. For the first group, what you can do, you can arrange a sand tray and you can ask them to use these two fingers to trace letter J, firstly in the air and then in the sand tray. What the second group can do, well, they can use this Play-Doh and they can make a coil like this, and they can write letter J like this with the help of the Play-Doh. You can even help them to make jelly by using this Play-Doh. Oh, letter J with the help of the Play-Doh. Then you can give some pieces of newspaper to your student and you can ask them to find out letter J and to encircle letter J there. And finally, look at here. A big letter J. What you can do, you can cut this big letter J into small pieces like this. And you can give these pieces to a group and ask the group to arrange these puzzles or these pieces in order to form a letter J. After this, what you can do, you can invite them to trace letter J in their books and finally in the notebooks. Kindly spend at least 5 periods for this very topic, that is letter J. Thank you very much.